Hello and welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. In today's video, we will understand how and OR conditions work and how they are used. Here, click on the Add a Condition button. Now, scroll through the list and select any conditions. For example, we select total quantity. Here we will set block if less than here and set the quantity to 5. Next, we add another condition, cart subtotal. We select block if less than and enter $1,000. This means that if the total quantity is less than 5 and the cart subtotal is below 1,000, then the order will be blocked. In other words, both conditions must be true. This is an AND condition. Let's go to the checkout page and check it. As you can see, the error message is displayed at the top of the checkout page because the total item quantity in the checkout is less than 5, and the cart subtotal is also less than $1,000. Both conditions are fulfilled. Now, we will add the quantity to more than 5 to make one condition false and check it. As you can see, the error message is gone, so now the customer can place the order again. Now, we will see how the OR condition works. Here we will remove the cart subtotal from the AND condition and move it to the OR condition. Now we can see the Add an Alternative Rule button here. By clicking this, we can add an OR condition within the same main rule. Here again, click on the Add a Condition button. Choose Cart Subtotal. We select Block if less than and enter $1,000. Now this means that if the total quantity in the cart is less than 5 or the cart subtotal is below $1,000, then the order will be blocked. If any one of the two conditions is true, the order will be blocked. This is an OR condition. As you can see, the error message is displayed at the top of the checkout page. Because the cart subtotal is more than 1,000, but the total quantity is less than 5, one of the two conditions is fulfilled, so the order is blocked. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!